first of all, Karishma, congratulations for getting that exclusive interaction with the man of the moment, Surya Kumar Yadav. He must be a much sought after person right now. But he's very clear in his mind, this match that has been spoken more about for what happened on the field apart from the cricketing shenanigans. But he said we won because our focus was clear. We were focusing only on cricket. Perhaps they get Pakistani cricketers not doing so?
Well, yes, absolutely. He has said that he is focused only on the cricket, and that is why the Indian team won, that all the cricketers were focusing on what was happening on the ground, on the quality of cricket that they were playing, and nothing on what was happening off the ground that was being handled by the BCCI and Surya Kumar Yadav as well. But the focus was on cricket, and that is why they defeated Pakistan, Priya, not just one, not just twice, but thrice in the same tournament, first in the group stage, then in the Super 4 stage, and then in the final as well, and all three comprehensive victories. Remember, Pakistan at one point in time was 113 for 1. From there, they lost 9 wickets for just 33 runs. So that really tells you what kind of cricket they were playing, and they were literally focusing on everything that was happening around them and not on cricket. And Surya Kumar Yadav, in this exclusive interview, also talking about Tilak Verma, the star boy, he called him, and also spoke about the importance of these young players between the age of 20 to 25 in the T20 format. Surya Kumar Yadav, trying to encapsulate everything that happened in the last 20 days as far as the Asia Cup was concerned in this interview.
And also, he spoke about how Indian leadership has been playing on the front foot. Said a lot without saying much.
Well, yes, absolutely. The question was on PM Narendra Modi's tweet about Operation Sindoor on the field, and the result being the same, and Surya Kumar Yadav not mincing any words and delivering a direct message saying that the Indian leadership also plays on the front foot, and that gives you a lot of confidence to play the way we play. So that said a lot about, what this Indian team is thinking towards. There was a lot of criticism as well that why we are playing Pakistan, but there cannot be any better answer than defeating Pakistan thrice in the tournament, and then, getting to take the title home as well. We do not have the trophy as yet because the trophy is with the ACC chairman, Mohsin Naqvi. But even without the trophy, the Indian team knows that they are the champions, and they say that their trophy is the one in the dressing room with all the players together.
All right. Now, this is a man who has also drawn a lot of commentary from political circles personally, but he has himself been batting on the front foot, whether it is dedicating the first victory to the victims of Pahalgam or donating his earnings from the match for the families of those victims. Sky is our man. Thank you, Karishma, and congratulations once again for getting Times Now that exclusive